Eine besondere Herausforderung war hier,
A special challenge here was to greatly reduce energy consumption in comparison to other furnaces of a similar
dieser
design.
Bauart. Das ist soweit auch gelungen.
We've succeeded in doing this. Thus, if you compare our float system with similar furnaces around the world, you will see that our furnace is one of the most efficient, if not the most efficient furnace in regards to energy consumption.
Entscheidend bei diesem Ofen
The decisive factor for this furnace was the insulation of the fireproof material, that is, the ability to reduce the external heat loss in this way.
Wir haben hier Installationen
We have insulated specific areas of the furnace, such as the iron planking.
und wir haben eine sehr
And we have used very effective external insulation on the regenerators.
und haben dadurch erreicht,
This makes it possible for us to achieve the current low heat loss level.
überhaupt möglich wurde. Die Qualität eines Ofens
In the
macht
final analysis, the quality of a furnace is determined by the runtime and the energy efficiency of the furnace. We've achieved a lot with very little. Flexible means both the color change of the furnace and the load change. Normally, an increased occurrence of errors is expected during a color or load change. This has not yet occurred with our furnace, which means that we can both carry out the color change faster than the preliminary calculations indicated, and we can also carry out a load change without this expected increase in errors. And this also makes our furnace stand out.
Das führt dazu, dass die Laufzeit des
This
Ofens
extends the runtime of the furnace and will probably also increase the cost effectiveness. I enjoy working here, and I'm looking forward to many more years to come.